You know I was standing by the river, watching my bridge burn down. I was standing by the river, watching my bridge burn down. 'Cause I'd done a bad thing, and I'm paying for it all right now. Well, I've done a bad thing, and I'm paying for it all right now. Hey there, doctor, tell me, what do you see? 'Cause I got a bad disease, I'm in need of your remedy. And I've been aching from my head to my toes. Well, I've been aching so much that I just don't ache no more. But there is a one thing that I need you to see. And you ain't never met a man as sick as me. Hey, Mr. Bartender, you see my trembling hand? Oh, you know I need a drink, I need it so bad. 'Cause I don't know, Lordy, what I just done.
Mama been a dancer in times of war, trying to give people a little right from the core, dancing with the workers and the refugees, thousands of dreamers and children, women, folks, and me. Mama been a savior and an artist too.